Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is abduct. It's pronounced abduct, and it is spelt A-B-D-U-C-T. Think ab and then duct. Abduct means to take someone away illegally by force or deception. For example, you could say, the princess was abducted by the wicked villain. Abduct comes from the Latin verb abducere, from ab meaning away and ducere to lead or lead away. If you abduct someone, you take or lead them away by force or deception. Have you ever heard of the expression, "Don't take candy from a stranger"? This well-known phrase originated in 1874, after the abduction of 4-year-old Charlie Ross in Philadelphia. The little boy climbed into a horse-drawn carriage after he was offered candy by a stranger. His father then received a series of ransom notes demanding $500,000 in exchange for his son. Remember, never take candy from a stranger. Abduct is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, as a prank, we abducted the school's mascot. Abduct can become a noun. Abduction, meaning the action or instance of forcibly taking someone against their will. For example, the abduction was very well planned and went unnoticed at first. Abduct is defined in the dictionary as to force someone to go somewhere with you, often using threats of violence. Abduct's synonyms include kidnap, carry off, seize, capture, take hostage, hold to ransom, hijack, snatch, and grab. Antonyms include give up, let go, and release. Now, you won't see an abduction today, but perhaps when you are playing, you could pretend to capture a toy and take it prisoner whilst proclaiming, "We have abducted the toy." Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.